Hey guys, guess what review it is of today. Subscribe. I just got this like 2 minutes ago. Even though my birthday's tomorrow. It's Funtime Freddy with his awesome pal Bonbon. So I had to just say, all the people that say he has mess-ups, like paint-wise, he was pretty good on not doing that. But on the hat-wise, yeah, it's kind of too big, but that's okay. Also got Ennard's leg, I'll show you that. I also got Baby, you guys seen that. But Funko cannot remove. This figure is awesome. I love this figure so much. I'm so happy with it. My brother's so awesome for getting me this. And if you watch this anywhere else, you are awesome. Are you ready for round 2? Well, hello again. Are you ready for round 2? You can run, you can try, you can run, but you can't hide. We're laughing, we're finding, hiding, I'm trying. Also, it's supposed to be connected to the top. Well, that's it for today's video. Bye, guys.